Welcome to another installment of Ignited Sparks YouTube channel. This is also inside our system for those people that are customers of ours. So one of our customers had a problem when they were importing prices from Stripe. And the problem is that when he imported it from Stripe, he put a setup fee. If you put a setup fee when you're importing the price, then any prices in that product, all the prices in that product, I'm trying to get that right, all the prices in that product must have a setup fee. So what he had did was put setup fee here, but for the yearly plan, he didn't want to have a setup fee. So when you have a case like that, you need to choose. Now, this is I don't want to import this. This is I'm not sure it would import because it's a archive product, or archive price. I keep messing that up. Sorry, but it's an archive price that still show up here because we've sold this in the past. So because we've sold this in the past, it's going to be staying in the Stripe system, and I think you may need it for reporting. I'm not sure, but you can't get rid of it. But if it's the first product we're in, first price we're importing in a product, if we put setup fees, then every price in that product must have a setup fee, even if it's only 1 cent. And so if we go back here, and just to show you what I mean, this product that we bring here, and like I said, we don't like to charge anything for setup fees on yearly plans, and it gives them incentive to get too much free, and you don't pay the setup fee. But because I put a setup fee on this product when I first brought it in, you see it has a 1 cent setup fee because it must have a setup fee. So the system, if I change this to 0 and save it and go back in here to edit additional options, you see you still got that 1 cent setup fee because we've got to have it. So the solution to that is importing it without that. If we go over here to the product we brought in last, or whenever I brought it in, this product anyway, this product, if we go look at the yearly plan, we notice we don't have a setup fee. And so that's the way you do it. You import the first price without a setup fee. And then actually import both prices or however many prices. If you put a setup fee on the import of any of your prices into a product, then all the prices in that product will have a setup fee. So import all your prices first, and then for the prices that don't have setup fees, that do have setup fees, you just go out there and add the setup fee. I'm not gonna change this one, but if we look at the monthly one, you'll see we've got a setup fee. So that is how you do that to avoid having that problem. And in that customer case, he had to go out and he's had to do exactly what I'm about to do right now. So being that I messed this one up, I'm going to delete it. We're going to import from Stripe. And either one of these works. I just have to, for my side here, remember that this price has been archived, and so either one of these correct prices. I'm leaving this setup fee blank, and I'm going to import that price. I wish we could import this second price here, but we got to go back to the product and choose the second price, again leaving the setup fee blank. If I add a setup fee here, then it's going to put that setup fee on the entire product. And so for this product, I'm going to go and edit it and we want to have the setup fee blank like that, so that's good. I'm also changing the trial period because we don't have trial periods on our yearly products. You want to try the product, go monthly, and you're going to love it, but go monthly until you realize you're going to love it, and then change over to the yearly. And I'm going to go out here and look at my monthly, where we do have a 14-day trial, and the setup fees. We're going to add the setup fees. And so now we can go back and even see that if we look at the yearly one, we still don't have the setup fee. And we go over here and look at this one, we see we have the setup fee. So that is how you do it. So that was quick and easy. And so even if you mess it up, you can go back and bring it in again. And you see now we have our 3 products back. And so that's how you do it, quick and easy. If you like this, subscribe to the channel, click that bell button, and you get notified when we post our new videos. Thanks, and have a great day.